What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your dirty microfiber towels. Now here at Masterson's Car Care, we wash a lot of cars, and we got to get all these dirty towels and make them like new again so we can keep washing more cars. So we're going to show you guys how we wash all of our dirty microfiber towels right here at the shop. And how do we do that? We use our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. Now this is a premium microfiber detergent that you can use to wash and clean all your microfiber towels, wash mitts, applicator pads, and detailing tools. I love this product because it comes in a 16 ounce and it comes in a gallon size. So if you're like me, you're running a detailing shop, you're a professional detailer, or you just got a lot of cars that you need to clean, I love having the gallon size because it gets the job done. Now you can pick this all up right here on our website, mastersonswax.com, put a link right here, right below, and you can pick up the product to clean your microfiber towels. Now let's talk a little bit about cleaning microfiber towels. Now microfiber towels are your #1 detailing tool when you're cleaning your vehicle. They're seriously my favorite tool for cleaning. I have so many of them. I probably have thousands of them, plus wash mitts and applicator pads. These are all tools that you need to get the detailing done. And you want to take care of these because if you have some dirty towels, if they have dirt inside, they're going to scratch your car, they're going to mess up your car by causing streaks and spots, and they're not going to perform like they do when they're new. So you want to maintain and clean your microfiber towels on a regular basis. Now, one of the tips I like to tell everybody is don't use laundry detergent to clean your microfiber towels. It will actually ruin the microfiber towels. Now, inside detergent, there is actually fabric stain repellers inside of the detergent and softeners. Now, a lot of you might have heard the claim that you can actually use a free or clear detergent, which has no scent and no color, to clean your microfiber, but those still have stain repellents inside of the detergent, and they don't leave the microfiber soft and performing like they need to perform to get the job done. So we recommend only to use a microfiber approved cleaning detergent like our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. This is a super concentrated formula. A little bit goes a long way, and this actually fluffs up and makes the microfiber perform at a higher rate. So we have all these dirty microfiber. They got things like wax, dirt. There's so many different ones in here that we use from cleaning the cars. And this detergent is actually going to work on all of them. So let's go ahead and take all of the microfiber. We're going to go to the washing machine and let's explain how to wash your microfiber. Now, first thing I like to do is I like to separate out my microfiber. Some people do it by colors, but here we do it by how dirty they are. We wash the dirtier ones together and the newer ones separately. So I have about 3 of these big bins that we need to wash today. That's a lot of microfiber. It's a lot of work, but this job and this product is going to get it done. So we're going to go load up our van. Let's go to the laundromat and let's show you guys how to wash some microfiber towels. So now we're at the laundromat and we're actually loading all of our microfiber towels in the washing machine. Now, a couple quick tips for washing your microfiber towels. Do as big of a load as you can. It saves more water, and we're going to use hot water today to make sure that we flush the microfiber towels out. See, microfiber towels have these fibers, and you see all this dirt in here? We need to clean all of this out, and microfiber towels actually expand when they're exposed to hot water. So we're going to use hot water setting on our machine today. Now we're going to take our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. Comes in a gallon and a 16 ounce. I take the gallon just in case because we're going to need to do a lot of loads while we're here. And we're going to add 2 to 3 ounces to this normal size washing machine with a full load. If you're doing a small load, you can add 1 to 2 ounces. If you have a giant load like a huge washing machine, like an industrial, you can also add up to 4 ounces to clean all of your towels. I'm going to add 3 ounces to this dirty load today. Now I'm going to take my microfiber wash and restore that I just shook up, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 ounces right to my load. There we go. Now come in close, guys, and let's show you guys the settings we're going to use today. This washing machine has 3 settings. We're going to use the hot water setting right there. So flip it over there. And then there's a lot of different settings for our cycle. We're going to use normal for this. We don't need to use delicate. So now we got it closed. Go ahead and just put our coins in. And now it's running. So I'm going to go ahead and come back in about 20, 30 minutes. And then we're going to move all these towels to the dryer and show you guys how to dry those towels. So it's been about 30 minutes and our towels are now washed, our washing machine finished, and our towels are clean and they smell so good. I'm just gonna grab a towel and look at this one. It's clean and it's soft, and that's because the Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore really does a great job of working and cleaning all microfiber towels. I mean, I got towels in here, applicator pads. Look, I even got a waffle weave towel. It works on it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload all of these towels right now, and then I'm gonna take them over to the dryer, because drying is super important to keeping your microfiber towels looking good, and we'll give you the right tips and the right settings right here on the Masterson's Car Care YouTube channel. So now I got all my towels loaded up in the dryer. Now when you're drying your towels, you wanna make sure that you use the right setting, guys. So come in close and check this out. There's 3 different settings: hot, medium, warm. You're gonna wanna use the warm. When you're drying towels, you don't wanna overheat the towels and cook the towels, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on warm setting, and we're gonna go ahead and click start. We're gonna let it dry for about 40 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we'll see the results. So now we finished drying our microfiber towels. They're back in the shop, and our microfiber towels are clean, they're soft, and they smell amazing. Just look at this towel. This is a used towel, but it feels smooth and it's almost like brand new again. That's because our microfiber Wash and Restore really does a great job of cleaning and restoring the original quality of the microfiber towels back to original condition. And we pulled off all the grease, all the stains, all the dirt, and these microfiber towels are ready to be used right for detailing or cleaning. Now you know exactly how to wash your microfiber towels with the Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. Now, if you want to pick up our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore in the gallon size or the 16 ounce, go ahead and hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can pick up everything you need to clean and maintain your microfiber towels. Plus, we have a full selection of quality microfiber towels that you can pick up for your detailing needs. Everything from microfiber towels, wash mitts, applicator pads, and much more at our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.
It's